This is the Cycle Analysis Workshop Special. You're going to learn my method of analysis developed over nearly 50 years. It took 2 years to write, 6 months to produce, and there are 24 video modules, plus many tools for tech videos attached to this. There's literally like a total of 50 or 60 something videos in there, but the key of the 24 video modules, this is online lifetime access. You don't need a special platform. And once you learn this, you're never going to look at charts the same as you did before, as you saw us presenting these and the results of the great work that the whole team does. This is where it all comes from really learning this. It's going to improve your directional decisions and help you project in both time and price. And a bonus, the first 25 that sign up for this is going to get this collector's book. It's the book I read back in 1975, Profit Magic of Stock Transaction Timing. And it's been out of print for decades. I have been collecting a whole bunch of them, knowing that I was going to do a special someday and include it in this. And that's what I'm doing right now. So the first 25 will get that collector's book. Also, I'm going to put a little thing in there, a greeting with my signature on there for you doing that. And also, you're going to get this amazing bonus 30-minute trading session with one of our members of the askSlim analytical team. And that's a bonus value of $400. So normally this is $12.97. We're going to take $400 off on this discount of $8.97. Plus you get those bonuses. And just make sure you go to the top of our website, as I showed, right up over there, and click on that, and you will really get a good sense. One more thing, you can go to workshops right over here, click Cycle Analysis Workshop, and it's going to take you to that page. You can get that special right over there, and you'll be able to see everything that's in there, including a little video that I prepared for you right there, and you'll get to see what is in every single one of these modules in here. So really important for you to go there and get that information, and then sign up by clicking that Learn More button right over there. And don't miss this unbelievable offer that we have right there, Cycle Analysis Workshop.